Good day, my friends. I am Professor Trewlaney, and today I find myself at the Kincardine branch of the Bruce County Public Library. I must confess I had a vision that I would come here to teach you how to see into the future. The gift of prophecy is a terrible burden, very terrible. And unfortunately, if you're watching this video, it means that you too will have the unlucky power of unfogging the future. Today we're making origami fortune tellers. This will let us answer the secrets of the universe and life's greatest questions. I will be using a template. You can get this from your local library branch, but if you don't have the template, then it's not hard to follow along at home with your own designs. Mine are Hogwarts themed, but there are many different ways to design your fortune teller. To begin, step 1 is to cut along the dotted line at the top of the paper. If you don't have one of our templates, simply take one corner of any sheet of paper like this one, fold it to the side, make a good crease, and then cut off the top. That will leave you with a perfect square of paper. Now, we're able to begin folding. We want to make clear guidelines for ourselves when we create this fortune teller. So the first thing you're going to do is fold the fortune teller in half diagonally to create a clear crease. Then we'll open the paper flat again and repeat the previous step, folding diagonally in the other direction. If you're using the template, you're going to want to make sure that these pictures are face down for this next step. We're going to fold each corner in towards the middle of the square. So we're going to find that center point and fold each corner in towards the middle. You're going to want to press down along the folds to make sure that you create a clear crease as well. Then we flip the paper over and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to take each corner and fold it into the center of the fortune teller. And once again, you want to make sure you have good creases, because the better your creases are, the easier it is to use the fortune teller. At this stage, I also like to fold the fortune teller in half from each direction so that it'll have good strong creases. You can test it out at this stage by placing a finger and a thumb under each of the folds on your fortune teller. And you should be able to open and close it just like that. But wait, we're not finished yet. We want to open up the fortune teller again, and where these triangles are, we're going to write the numbers from 1 to 8 on each triangular flap using crayon, markers, pencil crayon, whatever you please. Like that. Now you're going to lift each flap to write answers under each number. You can make up your own predictions, but here I've used answers to yes or no questions. At this time, you can decorate the cootie catcher with colors and patterns as desired, or you can simply begin answering life's deepest questions. If you don't have our template, you can either draw pictures on the flap yourself, or you can use colors, as I've done in this one here. There are many different ways of making your fortune tellers. You might even try a fortune teller without any fortunes. You could write an activity under each number, such as wave your wand 3 times or show us a dance move. You could also make one with writing prompts or acts of kindness. The possibilities are endless. Very good. Now we can put our fortune teller to the test. Try asking it a yes or a no question, like, will I get a good grade, or will there be pizza for supper? Then you choose one of the drawings from the top. Let's choose Gryffindor, and then you spell it out. G-R-Y-F-F, or you could spell lion, L-I-O-N, and then we choose a number, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another number, 7. Alas, it is the grim